It's Thomas. You're the leader.
Henry and Gordon were lonely when Thomas left the yard to run his branch line. They missed him very much. They had more work to do and had to fetch their own coaches. They didn't like that one bit. We get no rest! We get no rest!
You're lazy and slack, you're lazy and slack.
Altogether, the engines were causing Sir Topham Hatt a great deal of trouble. Alack a this! One morning, Henry was sleeping in the yards when Sir Topham Hatt came by.
Good morning, Henry. Wake up, stupid!
Hello!
Now listen up, Henry. A tunnel is blocked down the line.
And
I want you to take some workmen to investigate.
okay.
Good. Go now, man!
Pushing the trucks, pushing the trucks, pushing the trucks, pushing the trucks.
They stopped outside the tunnel. The workmen went inside. It was very dark and quiet, but not for long.
You know something? It's dark in here.
Ew, I think I stepped in something.
Shut up, Frank.
Ooh, hang on. I think we found the block. What the?
What the pizza?
We started to dig on the block, but it grunted and moved.
Rubbish, I says!
It's not rubbish. It's big and alive and it smells like death.
We ain't going in there again.
Oh, come on! Justin?
I got kids.
Jackson?
But I got pets.
Ed?
I got a toilet.
Of course you do. Officer Killbot? Okay, new plan. I'll ride in the trucks and Henry shall push it out.
Whoosh!
Needless to say, Henry was not happy. He had been shut up in a tunnel for being afraid of the rain, but this was worse. Something big and alive was inside.
Babe, I don't wanna go in!
Neither do I. But I think we're gonna clear up the line. So be brave, Henry, and good luck.
Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap! Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap!
Then there was trouble.
Crap infinity!
The block was indeed alive, and very strong. It began to push the train backwards. Out of the tunnel came Henry, then the trucks, and last of all, a large, cross, not really smells like death, elephant. Holy Disney! He must have wandered into the tunnel while the circus was packing up.
Can we name him Peanut?
Oh, shut up, Frank.
The workman gave him some cake. He drank 3 buckets of water and was just about to drink another when...
I am thirsty!
cried the elephant. Water went all over Henry. Poor Henry. The elephant and his keeper were soon reunited, but Henry was... Well, need I say more?
An elephant pushed me. An elephant hushed me.
That night, he told Gordon and James all about it.
And then he squirted water on me, and I got all wet.
Wow, I'm almost sorry that happened to you.
Yeah, poor engine. You've been treated so badly.
Well, that last line seems very important to this redub. But for now, let's just skip ahead to next morning. The big station at both ends of the line each have a turntable. Sir Topham Hatt had made them so that the tender engines can be turned around because it is dangerous for them to go fast backwards. Little tank engines like Thomas don't need turntables. They can go just as well backwards as forwards. But to hear Gordon talk, you would have thought that Sir Topham Hatt had given him a tender just to show how, cough cough, important he was.
You just don't understand, little Thomas. We tender engines have a position to keep up. It doesn't matter where you go, but we are important. And for Sir Topham Hatt to have us do shunting, fetch coaches, and go on some of those dirty sidings, it's not the proper thing.
I stopped paying attention halfway through that sentence, Gordon.
With the trucks. Elephant, run, cheesecake, run.
Yes, well, skipping all of that, Gordon ran backwards to the turntable. The turntable was in a windy place close to the sea, and if he wasn't on it just right, he put it out of balance and made it difficult to turn. Today, Gordon was in a bad temper, and the wind was blowing fiercely. His driver tried to make him stop in the right place, but Gordon wasn't trying. The fireman tried to turn the handle, but Gordon's weight and the strong wind prevented him.
It's no good, mate. Your tender's too big. Upsets the balance.
Here, have you ever thought of going on a diet?
Just great. Now how am I supposed to take the next train?
I don't know, but if you were a little tank engine, you'd be busy.
You just have to pull the next train backwards, you galloping sausage.
Oh, look, Pete! There's a new tank engine!
Oh, don't be daft, it's only Gordon back to front. What a rip-off.
Oh, I feel so stupid. Well, at least Thomas isn't around.
Hello, Gordon. Plain tank engine, sensible engine. Take my advice, scrap your tender and have a nice bunker.
Yeah, I didn't see that coming!
Dork.
Wait, James! Be careful on the turntable! You could stick too!
Never fear, big fat blue whale man. I'm not as fat as you.
This confirms it. My life is a running gag.
Tell me about it. James, hoping not to stick, stopped on just the right place to balance the table. It could now swing easy.
Oh man, this I've gotta see.
In your fatty face, Gordon. James is on top of what's a... Hey, wait a minute. I can't stop. Whoa. Mommy, my tea went swimming in the piano.
Well, James. Are we playing roundabouts?
Good night, Mommy. Turn the count and turn out the clock.